Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick market update. Today is June 16th. BOJ, Bank of Japan, continues to rise interest rates, but the impact on global markets is expected to be limited. At the same time, DXY has fallen to 99.68, although the decline is not yet strong enough to confirm a major downtrend. In China, industrial production exceeded expectation and unemployment declined, showing that manufacturing is recovering. However, fixed asset investment fell 4.1% and retail sales weakened significantly. This suggests that China's growth is currently being driven by exports, while domestic consumption and the property sector remain weak. Gold has risen to around $4,335 before pausing, while the US 10-year Treasury yield remains near 4.47%. Oil prices has stabilized around $80 per barrel, helping reduce inflation concerns and easing pressure on further rate hikes. For Vietnam, although that's one has declined, but the US exchange rate has remained relatively stable. This indicates that more liquidity is being injected into the banking system, helping overnight rates move lower. The State Bank of Vietnam (SBV) appears to be supported liquidity while maintaining relatively low lending rates. Overall, the macro environment remains supportive for Vietnamese stock market. Oil prices are unlikely to surge sharply. Liquidity liquidity conditions are improving, and the state bank still has room to maintain stable interest rate. In the short term, Vietnam index remains relatively safe from the macro perspective. Thanks for watching.